All of the settings for your account can be accessed and altered by clicking on the main options icon at the top right corner. If you click on Profile, you can change your password or sync up your social account. To change your password, make sure the My Info tab has been selected. Enter in your email, your old password, and your new password. Also, this is where you enter in your account code if you have one. Clicking on the Social tab will let you sync up your Facebook account with the Biblesoft app. You will need to log into Facebook if you're not logged in already. Settings lets you enter in 4 default titles for Bibles, commentaries, and topics. Make sure you have entered in a reference for all fields before clicking on Save. If you move from one tab before saving, then the changes won't stay. If you want to request a new feature or see a bug in the app, then you can let us know in the feedback area. Fill out the form clicking on Continue to move forward. When you get to the third screen, you'll be asked to send your report or request by clicking on the Submit button.